political races in Potter County are headed to the courtroom before even getting to the ballot box.
Two Democratic incumbents in the elections for constable say their Republican opponents are on the ballot illegally, so they have filed a lawsuit against the county chair of the Republican Party for allowing it. ABC 7's Madison Smith spoke with both sides in an exclusive interview.
That's exactly right. Potter County Republican Chairman Dan Rogers says this is nothing but an intimidation game that the Democrats are playing, while the candidate's attorney, Chris Hess, says the political affiliations don't matter.
They're trying to keep the voters from having a choice.
I spoke with Potter County Republican Chairman Dan Rogers today regarding lawsuits coming down against two of his candidates, Zachary Coleman and Carrie Haney.
Incumbent candidates, Democrat candidates, that are trying to bully me and bully my constable candidates, trying to intimidate us to take them off the ballot with no evidence.
Attorney Chris Hess wholeheartedly disagrees.
It's not about Democrats versus Republicans, it's right versus wrong. He has two ineligible candidates on the ticket, and he knows they're not eligible.
In one lawsuit, Potter County Constable Georgia Lee Estrada alleges that Coleman has falsified his residence. In the other, Potter County Constable Idella Thomas Jackson calls Haney's application invalid due to filing for two separate positions.
He's the one who has the power to put him on the ticket or take him off the ticket. He checked the box for Coleman on the application saying voter registration verified. He didn't verify it. Rogers is responsible for these candidates, and he's breaking the law.
I don't have the ability to make a determination whether anything on that application is true or not. That's up to my understanding. That's a court would have to make that determination.
Rogers believes that this is just an attack on his party.
I think it's because the swamp has gotten so deep in Washington, D.C. with the Democrat antics, the Pelosi antics, that it's risen to 3,600 feet in depth and is spilling over into the Panhandle. And they see they're getting by with this stuff nationwide, and now it's happening here in Amarillo.
I had a feeling Rogers would make this about Democrat versus Republican, but it's just not. I think he's trying to polarize the Democrat versus Republican issue, but this is a local election. Estrada and Jackson are very good constables, and their party affiliation really, it doesn't matter at a county level.
Now, Hess tells ABC 7 News that neither Coleman, Haney, or Rogers have been served yet, and they do not have any further comments on the accusations against them. In court on Tuesday, Hess will ask the judge if they can legally be forced to take their names off the ballots. He says if they do not comply, they will be held in contempt of court. In studio, I'm Madison Smith with ABC 7 News.